Alright, hello everyone. My name is Shagoon. I've been promising to myself that I'd start doing this a long time ago. I finally reached a level of boredom to where, yeah, I figure I should do it. So, today we are going to be playing Hotline Miami. This should be part 1 hopefully, but yeah, it's been a long time since I played this, so it's going to be a bit of a mess. I'm here to tell you how to kill people. No, that's awfully straightforward. This game is controlled with your WASD keys and mouse. Press the left mouse button to punch. Aim for the face. Once you've knocked down someone out. Once you've knocked someone out, you have to finish him. To do this, you press space. You got it? You sure? Left mouse button to punch, space to finish. Do you understand me? Don't mess this up. Alright. Now you should try killing the next guy. But use the bat in the red room over here, okay? Press the right mouse button. Go next to it and take it. Then you press the left mouse button to swing it. Does that get through your thick skull? Did it? Right mouse to pick up. Left mouse to swing it. Are you even listening? Well, get to it then. Well done. So let's get to the guns, shall we? You go and get the shotgun in the blue room. You do it the same way you picked up the bat. Just press the Just press the right mouse button. Can you handle it? Clearly not. There's a shift button to look for enemies out of view. And it's very useful for not getting yourself killed. You can press the scroll wheel to lock onto enemies. Just make sure to place your crosshair over them first. Right mouse button to grab, shift to look. Left mouse button to shoot, scroll wheel to lock on. Now go and kill the guy in the... Now go ahead and kill the guy in the yellow room. Alright, that about sums up the basics. However, there's always more tricks to learn. You can throw any weapon you pick up by pressing your right mouse button. You can use doors to knock enemies over. Guns are very loud and will alert your foes. So plan your moves and use melee weapons when you can. God damn it, you'll just get yourself killed anyway, won't you? Part 1. Phone calls. Music in this game is fun. And who do we have here? Oh, you don't know who you are. Maybe we should leave it. But I know you. Look at my face. We've met before, haven't we? I don't know you. Why are you here? You're no guest of mine. Knowing oneself means acknowledging one's actions. As of lately, you've done some terrible things. You don't remember me? I'll give you a clue. Does April the 3rd mean anything to you? I believe that was the day of our first encounter. You look like you might be remembering something. April 3rd, 1989. Alright, to the sweet console. Let's get to mouse. Just like me. Let's check it. You have one message. Hi, this is Tim at the bakery. The cookies that you ordered should be delivered by now. A list of ingredients are included. Make sure that you read them carefully. Alright, what do we got? target is a briefcase. Discretion is of essence. Leave target at point F32 inside the dumpster. Failure is not an option. I'll be watching you. Well, I hope not. You have eyes everywhere. Know what you're thinking. Do sick car. Don't be afraid of dying. Prelude, the Metro. Sorry, buddy. Up. Up we go. Oh, wait. Hey, guys. Yep, you too. Come here. Give me that. Train coming. Well, hello there, friend. How are we? Ah, shit. Let's go. Yeah, if you couldn't tell, this game's pretty goddamn violent. Ah. Gotta get a grip. Well, that's a good first level, I think. It's an apartment building. What's going on over here? Just get up. Who's there? I can hear you. I know you're there. Oh, it's this guy. Ooh. Sorry, buddy. I don't puke on him. Oh, come on, man. It's just insult to injury. Dick move, dude. Alright, what do we got? Killing boldness combos. Time bonus. Ah, tune. Okay, so I played a little bit just to sort of refamiliarize myself with the game. It's been a while. Soundtrack in this game is so good, dude. I think this one's called Dice Game. Hi there, man. Haven't seen you around. Thought something might have happened to you. You seemed really down over losing your girlfriend. Don't remember seeing you after that. Maybe we should talk about something else. So, for a midnight snack, huh? Don't worry about it. It's on the house. Good to see you. Have a nice night. I can relate. I like a good midnight snack. I also like the art in this game. April 8th. It's been about 5 days since the last mission. Thank you for subscribing to our newsletter. We appreciate your interest in our cause. America is a tune. It must be sung together. 50 blessings. You have one new message. Beep. Hello, it's Linda. I need a babysitter. Right away. Got a few kids that need to be disciplined here. I'm at East 7th Street. Make sure you have a long talk with them. I really need someone to get through to with these rascals. And like last time, please be discreet. Well, you heard Linda. Gotta go dish out some punishment. First chapter. No talk. Enemies are predictable. So I've unlocked a few masks. Not too much. I think for this one we will use Tony. One punch equals one kill. Gentlemen. Oh, hello. Nope. Nice try, bucko. I think that went rather quite well. Nice short level there for you. Yeah, we can... Yeah, that was alright. My finest work. Ooh, getting pizza, nice. Better be pepperoni. It's pineapple. Fuck, kill you myself. Hi there, welcome. Oh, you don't need to order. Your pizza's already done. Had a feeling you were on your way here. Well, let's just leave it at that for now, shall we? Don't worry about paying. It's on the house. You get a lot of stuff for free, don't you, buddy? Alright, April 16th, 1989. You have one new message. This is Thomas from the Methadone Clinic. We scheduled a short meeting for you today. We're at Northwest 184th Street. This is 184. Apartment 105. Don't worry. We know discretion is important to our clients. Okay. Alright, more murdering. Let's go. Every kill. Big murders. Second chapter. Overdose. Enemies are predictable. I think we'll go north. Hey, buddy. Ah, shoot. Oh, he fucked out there. Did you see that? Oh. Hey, friend. Take this shotgun. Moving on up. Oh. He knocked himself out. Ah, damn it. Ah, man. Fudging this up real bad. There we go. Okay. Let's try a different approach. Huh? Kill that guy with a pan. Ah, shit. Alright, buddy. So if I use this... Oh, that's rough, buddy. Oh, shotgun, boys. Oh, that guy's got a pistol, okay. I really want to do this with a frying pan. Ah. Nope. Nice try, bucko. Hey, guys. Oh, I can't. Ah! Oh, so close. Come on. The door! No! Oh. Ah, one shot, one kill, boys. I can do this. Ah, came up behind me. Yeah. Alright, buddy. Go sicko mode. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Just this guy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. First try, no problems at all. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Alright. Let's see how we did. Hey dude, good to see you again. Did you hear about the massacre the other night? Bunch of Ruskies I heard. No loss if you ask me. Jeez, dude, relax. They say some maniac wearing a rubber mask did it. Sounds like a scene straight from a slasher film. Oh yeah, I have the perfect film for you. We're on the desk. Take it. It's on the house. Enjoy yourself, dude. Wow, dude. Wish I had this many freebies. Jesus. 25th, 1989. Hi, it's Kate from Hotline Miami's dating service. We've set up a date for you this evening. She'll be waiting for you at Southwest 53rd Place. As usual, make sure you wear something fancy. Good. Alright, something fancy. Let me think. Decadence. I think we will go with Graham. Need to go quick. Like this. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, okay. Gun is gonna be needed. Ah, okay. Oh, is that a katana? Dude, with a gun up there, got it. Machine gun. Nice. A fresh machine gun. Now we will load up. Oh, that guy's head exploded. Jesus. Ah. Here? Yes, there is. Just sat there like, yeah, whatever, these are the things I don't give a shit. Just my average Friday night, you know, I don't give a shit. Ah, crap, this guy. Gotta do everything by myself, huh? Shotgun. Let me just... Oh. A little overzealous on the eye treatment there, buddy. Hello, lady. Yeah, just get it over with. I knew it'd end like this. Let's get you out of here. This place is kind of a shithole. Not a big fan of that. There we go. Dude, the music in this game, if you haven't heard it before, it is phenomenal. Music I still listen to this day. People like Carpenter Bruh, Moon, all sorts of people. Jasper Byrne makes this song, it's called Miami. And I think it's a beautiful song. Very serene. Buddy. Okay. Spilled some Monster Energy. guy DJing? He's playing a game. No, can't tell. Let's talk to this guy. He also, funnily enough, known as Beard. Hi there, welcome. You don't look well, sir. Are you alright? Are you sure it is okay for you to be drinking? Alright, I'll get you something special. Do you like sweet or sour? Or maybe you want it bitter. And there you go. Enjoy. Thank you, man that works 1,000 jobs. Whatever. Let's go. Part 2. Questions. And that we will leave for part 1. We will start back up in the next video on part 2. I've been Omega Dragon. Thank you for watching.